let's get this box open, see what it looks like. I guess I'm just gonna have to learn to pack a whole lot lighter, because the leather jacket alone will fill up one of those, and I'll be having 2 leather jackets in there. 2 leather jackets, 2 rain suits. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I know what this is just by opening it up, but let me show you what it is. Right here from, get this, they packed it very well. This is the stretch saddlebags from TCMT. They make fantastic products at a really budget-friendly price. Great quality products. And guys, here's another benefit of why you should buy a Vivid Black motorcycle. Because if you have a Vivid Black motorcycle, then you can just buy it. This stuff here, it already matches the bike. And they even got it in this nice bag. Painted. The quality that you get from TCMT is amazing. Look at this. Would you look at this? That is absolutely picture perfect, beautiful. Perfect. It looks just like the stock bags right behind me, except these are extended bags, giving us a lot more room for luggage. So for instance, with those, I could just put a jacket in. Well, I'll be able to put a jacket and probably the rain suits underneath, or the air pump, or the tire repair kit, or something. Every little bit means something, and having these extended bags is a game changer when you're traveling cross country. This is beautiful, but the quality of it, the fit and finish, the paint on this is amazing, and it comes with the hinge already. Unlike the last ones that I got, they didn't come with the hinge. So now what I'm looking for is the key for it. I don't know if they put it in the other saddlebag or not. Yep, I hear it rolling around in there. So let's get it out and I'll show you the key. Show you all of that. I can't say enough about this. You will not believe the price. You won't believe the quality of it. It's right on par with what's on this bag, on this bike right there. And the paint matches perfectly. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. High gloss. No orange peel in the paint, anything like that. Really nice. Show you the back side of it. Has a little rubber grommets in there when you put it on the bike. It has everything you need. It's ready to go, ready to mount on the bike, just like that. So now let's open it up. Okay, here's the keys right here. They actually give you 3 keys. I love that they give you 3 keys. So you can be one for me, one for her, and one to leave with somebody back here, just in case we lose the keys. They can mail us the key out there. But it's a barrel key, looks just like a Harley Davidson key. Now, I could actually get this rekeyed to match the existing one, and I might do that, so we'll see. But I like the quality, the fit, the finish, the paint is beautiful, and it's just what you come to expect from TCMT. And the price, it's unreal. Why would you buy anything other than this? Great quality, looks good. I mean, if you get a scratch on it, which I've had scratches, just buff it just like you do your regular saddlebag. It's everything about it. It's worth every penny.